Hi, I'm Darren from the DPF Doctor, just down visiting today Karl Weaver-Bull Lane Garage in Faversham. He's our Canterbury agent for the DPF Doctor. So he's been on now around 7 months.
7 months, yeah.
So just some of you recognise Karl from winner of Top Technician 2017. So big achievement. So just really wanted to gather your thoughts really on how things are going and how you're finding the DPF Doctor network really.
Yeah, well, so far really impressed. We were being faced with several sort of DPF issues which we were struggling to deal with, and when searching around, the DPF Doctor kept coming up, and after speaking to Darren, it was a no-brainer really. The technical support is absolutely amazing. The network has got some real talented people, very well respected technicians from all around the country, and that knowledge put together just makes it, you know, brilliant really. I can't fault it at all, and highly recommend it to anyone that's looking to get into DPFs.
Good stuff, thanks for that. So that's just what we want to hear, and that's what we're trying to achieve. So good quality training, tech support, and we'll also have a little bit of fun at the same time as well. So, so cheers, thanks for that.
Thank you.
Cheers.